Okay, students, welcome back. So, we have discussed today cube topic from chapter number 3 and exercise 15.1 from chapter circle. ठीक है, and I have given you problem number 8. Okay, I have given you question number 8 to solve it, and for the question of cube I have mentioned you. Here we can see that below the index both the questions are mentioned. Okay, the question number 8 is on page number 187. The question is the radius of the circular track is 210 meters. Find the number of revolution made by a man to complete his 660-meter race. ठीक है, 660-meter race. You can have such type of question in your paper. ठीक है, जैसे word problems हैं, you can have the word problems, and I can give you some uh, steps. For example, I can ask you that what is the step number 1. Okay, for example, I will ask you that which one is the correct formula. ठीक है, which formula is going to be applied. Okay, for the unit conversion, Zohaib, I can ask you that how can we convert 2.64 kilometer into centimeter, right? So you must know that it must be multiplied with which number to get kilometer into centimeter or kilometer into मीटर. ठीक है, वेन एवर यू आर हैविंग द क्वेश्चन ऑफ सर्कल, प्लीज़ बेटे यूनिट्स पे बहुत ध्यान दीजिएगा कि यूनिट्स मीटर्स में है, किलोमीटर्स में है और सेंटीमीटर्स में. ठीक है, बोथ यूनिट्स का सेम होना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, ये बात नहीं है कि इफ़ बोथ द यूनिट्स आर इन किलोमीटर तो मिस ने कहा था कि जस्ट चेंज द किलोमीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर. नो बेटे, वी मस्ट हैव यूनिट्स सेम, दैट्स इट. If both the units are in kilometer, doesn't matter, solve it and get the answer in kilometer. Okay, units must be same. What is necessary? The units must be same. So I hope you all have started this work. Acha, for few students, as I get the request from the students that please miss discuss question from mod exercise, right? So here I am going to discuss one question here. By first I am going to show you my notebook. By my notebook I am going to discuss the question with you. ठीक है, in the same time, if you are not having any problem in mod question, kindly keep working on. Okay, keep working on, students. So I am going to share my video with you. Can you see my video? Yes, can you see the video? Yes. Okay. Okay, is it proper? Is it clear? Yes. Okay, so beta, the question is find the solution set. Find the solution set of x plus 3. Mod x plus 3 is equals to 5. ठीक है, mod x plus 3 is equals to 5. बेटे step number 1 is we just have to remove the mod. Okay, because nothing is written. First look, there is nothing written outside the mod here. ठीक, तो we are going to remove the mod. We get x plus 3 is equals to plus minus 5. X plus 3 is equals to plus minus 5, right? So here in the left portion we have to solve the minus 5. X minus 3 is equals to minus 5 and x plus 3 is equals to plus 5. Okay, look, x plus 3 is equals to minus 5. Either x plus 3 is equals to minus 5 or x plus 3 is equals to plus 5. What is the meaning of this plus minus? Either x plus 3 is equals to minus 5 or x plus 3 can be equals to plus 5. ठीक है, now what we want here, ठीक है, please Sanya, Ramla, the students who are having the problem in this question, please. Okay, okay, Saad is also here in requesting me to explain this So Saad, just look at this question carefully. ठीक है बेटे, here we want only x. ठीक है, look at this question, we want only x, we don't want this 3 here. So what we can do here? Okay, Ramla, here I am going to unmute you from the participants. Ramla, where are you? Yes, Ramla, unmute yourself quickly.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Ramla. Ramla, look this step बेटे, कल आपने मुझसे यही क्वेश्चन पूछे थे ना कि यू आर हैविंग
वो मिस
कंफ्यूजन.
मैंने ये नहीं पूछा था। मिस
देन
मैंने पूछा था एक जो क्वेश्चन है जैसे x+3, फिर मिस मॉड के बाहर एक वैल्यू है जैसे 2 पे इज इक्वल टू 5। तो मिस
ओके
जो पहले स्टेप में हम 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय करते हैं 5, मतलब 2 माइनस 5 या
ओके
8 माइनस कुछ
ओके
करते
ओके
हैं
हाँ
करेक्ट, तो वो हमें कैसे पता चलता है वो
ओके
पूछ।
ओके 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 अच्छा ओके आई अंडरस्टूड. अच्छा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट वन. ठीक है, हियर आई एम गोइंग टू
ओके मिस।
अनम्यूट सानिया राइट नाउ. सानिया, वेयर आर यू? यस सानिया. सानिया, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यस सानिया. यस सानिया, आर यू देयर? सानिया, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटे. चलें बेटे, what we have to do in this question, this +3 is over there, we just want x. ठीक है, we how can we remove this 3? हम क्या इसको मिटा दें? No, we can just remove this +3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. So by subtracting 3, okay, by subtracting 3 from both sides, by subtracting 3 from both sides, what will we get beta? X plus 3 is equals to minus 5 है ना, right? So we get minus 3 and minus 3 here, right? So this plus 3 and minus 3 is going to be cancelled, right? This plus 3 and minus 3 is going to be cancelled, right? This is going to be cancelled here, and we get here x, right? We get x is equals to minus 5 minus 3. Please, minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8, right? So here we get the answer. Okay, now what about the right hand side bete? Here we are getting x plus 3 is equals to 5. Now again we have to remove this plus 3. How can we remove this plus 3? By subtracting again, by subtracting 3 from both sides. So finally we will get here by subtracting 3 from both sides, students. Here we get x plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 5 minus 3, right? X plus 3 minus 3. Why we are again subtracting 3 on both sides? Because again this is the plus 3 over there, right? So this plus 3 minus 3 is cancelled. We get x is equals to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. ठीक है, प्लीज़ स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग क्या करते हैं कि इफ़ यू आर हैविंग माइनस 8 ओवर हेयर, आप यहाँ 8 लिख देते हैं. नो बेटे, minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. 5 minus 3 2. 5 minus 3 2. So hence the solution set x is equal to, beta for set we have to make the curly bracket. First write the smaller number, that is minus 8 is the negative number, it is a smaller, so minus 8 2 is your final answer. Is it clear Sania? Is it clear now? बेटे मैंने आपको कहा था जस्ट अनम्यूट योर सेल्फ, यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग टू मी. what is this? इफ़ यू आर आस्किंग मी द क्वेश्चन, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट भी नहीं कर रही हैं. क्विकली अनम्यूट योर सेल्फ. Okay, so the next question here, I am going to explain the next question. Okay, now this question is x plus 3 plus 2, okay, plus 2 is equals to 9. Ramla, unmute yourself beta.
Yes miss.
Yes Ramla, you want to ask this type of question na?
यस मिस। मिस के जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है ना, ये बस समझ में नहीं आ रहा, इसमें थोड़ा डाउट हो रहा है.
ओके, नाउ रमला डोंट म्यूट योर सेल्फ, मेरे साथ ज़रा जल्दी से यहाँ देख लीजिए बेटे. रमला, x प्लस 3, x मॉड x प्लस 3 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 9, राइट रमला?
यस.
जय, नाउ इज इट क्लियर? नाउ माई वॉइस इज क्लियर बेटे? अच्छा यहाँ पे देखें बेटे, x प्लस 3 मॉड के अंदर है, राइट, प्लस 2 इज आउटसाइड द मॉड. रमला, व्हाट वी वांट इन दिस क्वेश्चन, वी वांट ओनली x ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, हमें सिर्फ x चाहिए, ठीक है.
Okay.
सो मॉड के बाहर वी कैन सी दैट प्लस 2 इज ओवर देयर. हाउ कैन वी रिमूव प्लस 2? हाउ कैन वी रिमूव प्लस 2? हम इसे मिटा तो सकते नहीं ऐसे, ठीक है. वी हैव टू फॉलो सम रूल्स. इफ प्लस 2 इज ओवर देयर, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट इट, ठीक है. वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट 2 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड, ठीक है रमला.
Yes, miss.
Are you getting me, Ramla? If plus 2 is over there, what we have to do, Ramla? Look at the step. X. Is it clear now, Ramla?
Yes,
Bete,
miss.
when plus 2 is there, how can we remove the plus 2? By subtracting 2 from both side. ठीक है. So here plus 2 and minus 2 is going to be subtracted. Ramla, if plus 3 is written over there, what will we do? If plus 3 is written over there, then what will we do?
Miss, by subtract 3 on both sides.
Exactly. If minus 3 is written over here, if minus 3 is written over here, then what will we do?
Miss, by adding 3 on both sides.
Excellent, excellent. So by subtracting 2 on both side, we get mod x plus 3, right, is equals to 9 minus 7.
7. 9 minus 2 is
9 minus
7.
2 is 7. ठीक.
Seven.
Now how can we further solve it? Now what we can do here, Ramla? What we can do over here?
Miss, by subtract 3 on both sides.
One second. What we have to do first? Look at the question. X mod x plus 3 is equals to 7.
Miss, by remove mod. First
Exactly.
we have to remove the mod.
First we have to remove the mod. We get x plus 3 is equals to plus and minus
Minus
7.
7.
Plus and minus 7, right?
Yes. Okay.
Now what we can do here, we have to draw the line in the center. In the left side we have to write x plus 3.
X plus 3 is equals to minus 7, and the right hand side we have to write x plus 3 is equals to plus 7.
Plus 7, ठीक है. Now by subtracting what?
By subtracting 3 on both sides, comma, we get
I'm just doing it directly, right? Minus 3. Now give me the answer.
Miss, subtract 3, cut the 3, and x is equals to minus 10.
Exactly. What about the right hand side? X is equals to
Cut the 3, minus plus minus, and 7 into 3, 4.
4.
Plus 4.
ठीक है. सो इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी रमला कि अगर यहाँ माइनस 10 है तो यहाँ पे प्लस 10 आए, ठीक है. नाउ इज इट क्लियर?
Yes,
एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर?
Yes, miss, now it is clear.
Now that's great. As you have solved
Thank
this
you.
question with me, I am also satisfied that this question is clear to you. Sania ने unmute नहीं किया, so I just don't know that if this question is clear or not. Now I want my dear student to share their answers with me quickly. Okay, Sheroz ready? Ali ready? Ali already raising his hand. So सबसे पहले Ali, you have to show me your work. Yes, Ali. Okay, this is the question number 1. We can see first question I gave you, x cube plus 6x square y plus 12xy square plus 8y cube. Okay, here we get the answer. Here the first answer is given by Ali. The correct answer is here. देखिए the 3 steps. अच्छा, he has solved this question in 4 steps. We can see first he has just put the values, cubes and square, and then he have just solved cube. In the second step he solved squares and multiplied, and finally he has removed the brackets. Okay, so the first answer is x cube plus 6x square y plus 12xy square plus 8y cube. Second question बेटे, second question क्या था? 2a minus 1, 2a minus 1. So here the answer is 8a cube then minus 12a square plus 6a minus 1. Okay, now the next question, Ali, next question. Yes, Sumaya, ask me. Sumaya, I am reading your message. Please ask me. Okay, Ali is not sharing the last. Okay. Oh, Sheroz, you are on. Okay, Sheroz. I can't see it. Okay, you have solved question 8 also. Okay, show me question number 8. Solution, bete. Solution. Manahil, next is your turn. Okay, Manahil. So here it's not visible. Sheroz, it's not visible. Okay, C is equals to 132 meters, right? First we have to find C, then turn the page. Turn the page quickly. Okay, so the number of rotation is equals to 1 second. What is the formula? What is the formula of number of rotation? 1 second, unmute yourself.
Total distance upon one rotation of 1c, c is equals to 2 pi r.
Exactly. So what we have to written in the numerator? Total distance कितना है?
308,000 centimeter.
ठीक है. Mistake पता चल गई बेटे?
Yes, miss.
Exactly. Just correct your mistake quickly and share your answer with me. ठीक है?
Okay, miss.
No, Sumaya. ठीक है? Sheroz, just complete the question and then share your answer with me. Okay, so here we can see question number 1. Manahil is sharing the question. Very good. Perfect. Manahil, next question. Manahil, next question. Shabash. Excellent, bete. Okay, so this is question 1 and 2. Manahil, the last question. Manahil, last question, bete. Okay, you have started it right now. Okay, very good. Who can share the last question with me? Who can share the last question with me? Sohaib, have you solved the question? Have you solved all the question? Can you share it with me? Halima, bete, you are not turning on your camera. Bete, why? Rida, quickly turn on your camera. Everybody, turn on your camera. I want to check out your work right now. Please, jaldi jaldi. Okay, so here Rida is there. Okay, Rida, you have solved the question. So here we get C is equals to bete 1. No. C is equals to 2 times. No. बेटे circumference 2 times कैसे हो सकता है? Circumference क्या होता है? Circumference the measure of the circular path of the circle. C is equals to 2 pi r. Okay, आपने circumference के साथ ही number of rotations निकाल के C is equals to 2 times लिख दिया. This is wrong. This is the wrong way. No. अच्छा, next I want Rida, make correction quickly. Make correction quickly. Students, please turn on your camera and show me question number 8. Bete, we have to do some objectives also. Okay, quickly. I have written this distance wrong. Okay, Sheroz. Complete it quickly. Sumaya, you get the answer. We will not share the marks directly in the final term exams. Anything else, Sumaya? Acha, it was 660 meters. Okay. Anything else, Sumaya? No. If you want to ask anything you are having in your mind, if you are having any problem, bete ask me. ठीक है? Today, अच्छा, one more thing. Today you are going to have the list on your Google Classroom that contains your homework marks, your CT, your MT marks for the final term. You are going to have the list, okay? It will be uploaded today inshallah. उसको ज़रूर check out कर लीजिएगा. Now I am going to replace, okay, Asya is there. So Asya, total distance, everybody look at the question. Number of rotations equals to total distance upon 1c. ठीक है? So c is equals to 2 pi r. First, Asya, we have to find out the circumference. ठीक है? 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21 0. ठीक? So 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 60, 22s are 1320, 1320 meters. ठीक है? 20 meters. As the radius is given in meter, so the circumference will also be in meters. Right? Now the total distance is also given in meter. The total distance is 660 meter. ठीक है? So we have to write 660 in the numerator and the circumference must be written in the denominator. 0 and 0 is cancel. Very good. Very good. And here we get 61 ones are, we can also do cancellation by using table of 11. 11 6 are 66, 11 ones are 11 ones are 11. ठीक है? 11 ones are 11 and 2 left. 11 twos are 22 in the denominator and 11 6 are 66. Now 6 ones are 66 and here 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12 in the denominator. So we get 1 over 2. 1 over 2 means half. 1 over 2 means half times. Okay? That means that how many number of revolution made by a man, he only completed half times. Okay, he only completed 0.5 times revolution to complete the race. ठीक है? Half time exactly. Everything is correct, Asya. Very good. Shabash bete. Next, Ramla. Okay, 1320 meters and finally we get half times. Very good. Very good. Next turn. Next one. One second. रमला बेटे 2a होल क्यूब का मतलब क्या होता है? 2 is multiplying thrice and a is also multiplying thrice. तो where is a cube on a? बेटे where is a cube on a? देखिए फर्स्ट टर्म 8a क्यूब होगी ना, 8a क्यूब. अच्छा, now one more mistake. बेटे one cube means 1 is multiplying thrice. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. There is no need to write 1 cube. 1 cube means 1. So just remove this cube from 1. In the second step also. In the second step also. Now that's correct. Clear everybody? ठीक. Now next one, Ali. Ali, please turn on your camera. You are raising your hand. Please start your video. The last 1 minute, उसके फ़ौरन बाद बेटे we are going to start objectives. So last 2 copies I am going to show here, Ali and Afra Wajahat's copy. Ali beta, be quick beta, we don't have that much time. ठीक है? शाबाश. First we get circumference is equals to 1320 and then number of revolution. 1 second. Ali बेटा listen, total distance कितना है बेटे? in the number of rotation Ali we have to write total distance first. okay? आप लोग प्लीज़ ये मत देखिए कि न्यूमरेटर का बड़ा होना ज़रूरी है. no, don't get confused. write total distance value in the numerator. ठीक है, 660 upon, ठीक है, in the final term paper. Please be careful about it. We first have to write, whenever we are finding number of rotation in the numerator, we have to write the total distance. ठीक है, and when students listen to me very carefully, you are going to have your 5, inshallah, 5 forms in your final term paper. Everybody listen to me very careful, very careful about that. You are going to have your 5 forms. One, ठीक है, first one is of MCQs, second must be you are having true false, then 3 sections are there, one arithmetic, algebra, and one is of geometry. ठीक है, उसके फ़ौरन बाद, ठीक है, उसके बाद बेटे व्हाट यू हैव टू डू बेटे, when you will start your paper, please be ready, keep your notebook in front of you, your loose sheets, and first solve the MCQ in your loose sheet and then take the correct answer. Be careful about it, be careful, thoroughly read all the options, ठीक है, because all the options seems mixed to you. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको लगेगा कि ये भी आंसर हो सकता है, ये भी, तो बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट, सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप प्रॉपरली एंड देन mark the correct answer. Ramla, ask me through the chat box quickly. ठीक है, so here we get the answer. Correct answer is 0.5, not meter. Ali, not meter. It's the rotation. हम कभी ऐसे बोलते हैं कि I rotate the ball 5 meters. I rotate the ball 5 times. ठीक है, तो हम times बोलते हैं हमेशा. Rotation must be in 5 times. ठीक है, 5 revolution. ठीक है, हम कभी भी नंबर ऑफ़ रोटेशंस के साथ टाइम मीटर सेंटीमीटर्स नहीं यूज़ करते. ठीक है, आई कैन ऑल्सो गिव यू दिस काइंड ऑफ MCQ in your paper. Note down this important point as well. Everything is clear. The last copy I am going to show you here. Afra Wajahat. Afra Wajahat, please turn on your video. Done? Now show me, quickly show me. Sheroz, show me your work. Afra Wajahat and Sheroz. Okay, here Afra and that's correct. Sheroz, that's correct. Very good. Okay, now here Afra Wajahat is there. Afra Wajahat, bete up, little bit up. I can't see your work, bete. I can't see the solution, Afra. I can't see the solution. Afra, I can't see the solution. I can see the question. Please. Okay, so here we get x cube 6x square, then plus, is there plus sign? Okay, that's correct. So the last answer, this is wrong. This is wrong bete. Why? Because the negative signs are missing. Afra, मैंने अभी बताया बेटे, when we are having negative formula we are going to use negative के साथ minus signs आते हैं. minus sign आपके missing हैं. Ramla, there will be a gap of 5 minutes. ठीक है? Okay, now I am going to share last 10 minutes are there bete. So here I have explained you this question. ठीक है, in exercise 15.1 bete, in each and every exercise, in each and every question where these blanks and choose the correct answers are there, please solve it properly and very good. Ali Murtaza, ड्यूरिंग क्लास कुछ नहीं पूछना, लेकिन क्लास में ये सब करना ज़रूरी है. खैर, दैट्स ओके. चलिए बेटे, कंप्लीट दिस. ठीक है, ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज question 1 and question 2 right now. Here I am showing you objectives. You can see the objectives on the screen. Ali, bete, we have already solved question 1 yesterday. Question 1 was 4x. How can we find the square? By using the formula. Ali Murtaza, I have noted down your name. that what you have done right now. Okay, so students, here 2x plus 1, we get this answer. ठीक है. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. I want students to raise your hand, please, and share the answer with me. Okay. Here I want, please, student, answer number 2. Answer number 2. I want here. Ula Fatma. Ula, unmute yourself and share the answer with me, bete. Yes, Ola. Bete, b
Plus a
plus
square
1. देखिए b plus 1, b minus 1. We have to use formula. Which formula we have to use, Ola?
plus a plus
Good.
a plus 1
Ola, which formula we have to use? देखिए,
x plus a x minus b is equals to x minus x plus b multiplied by x.
what are you saying? No, Ola. No. Next. Okay. Sania, yes. Yes, Sania. What will be the answer? Unmute, bete. Unmute yourself quickly. If you are raising your hand, please unmute yourself. Okay, Asia, unmute yourself, bete. Asia, unmute yourself. Yes, Asia. Asia, which formula we have to use here?
X plus y, x minus y is equals to x square minus y square.
Very good. So why we are using the formula, Asia, here? This formula? Because the first term is same, second term is same, only the sign is different. है ना?
Signs are different.
Excellent. So the answer will be?
B square minus plus 1.
1 second. Make correction. B square?
B square minus 1.
B square minus 1. Excellent. Shabash. So here we get the second answer by Asia. The answer is B square minus 1. The product of A plus 2A minus 1. ठीक है. अच्छा, now look at the question. Nothing is mentioned that which exercise is this, from which exercise I have taken the question, bete. Can you please tell me that which exercise is this? From which exercise I have taken the question? Yes, Ali. This exercise is?
3.10.
Exactly. Why? Because? Quickly. Very good.
Second term.
Very good. So the answer is, Ali, can you share the answer?
A square minus 3x plus 6
No.
2 plus 2.
1 second. Let me write your answer over here. What you are saying? A square?
A square minus 3x
3x?
3a.
Then?
3a plus 2.
I think there is a mistake, Ali. There is a mistake. Next, Sheroz. Sheroz, there is a mistake? Yes, Sheroz. Is there any mistake?
माइनस ए तो नहीं होगा.
No. Sheroz, what is the mistake? Yes, Ali and Sheroz. No one is raising the hand right now. Please raise your hand ताकि मैं आपको unmute करूं.
Sign. Mistake of sign.
Bete. Okay, Ula is also raising her hand. Yes, Ula. Second term में what is the mistake?
प्लस 2 माइनस 1 होगा तो बीच में जो टर्म है उसमें प्लस 1a आएगा.
Exactly. Excellent, Ula. Thank you so much. 2 minus 1. Bete, 2 minus 1 is only a. Okay, 1a means only a. We get a square plus a plus, अच्छा, plus minus, यहाँ पे minus sign आ जाएगा, plus minus minus, right? So here we get the answer. Here we get the answer, Ali. Now is it clear? We get a square plus a minus 2. A square plus a minus 2. Ali, is it clear or not? Ali, unmute yourself. Bete, clear? Yes or no?
Yes, miss.
Okay. ठीक है. Why we get minus sign with the third term? Because plus minus, here minus, and 2 ones are 2, right? Now fourth one, raise your hand quickly, raise your hand everybody. Rida Rahim, yes Rida, yes Rida, what will be the answer for number 4th? Sorry, I can't hear you, I can't hear you Rida. Please raise your hand everybody. Halima, raise your hand and share the answer quickly bete. What happened students, you are not raising your hand right now? Vanya, unmute yourself bete. Minus 3mn and minus 3mo, minus 3mo bete, share the answer please quickly. Yes Ramla, unmute yourself and share the answer na. Yes, yes Ramla, unmute yourself and share the answer.
Miss 9mno.
9mn, 9m square no, ठीक है.
Yes, Miss,
Minus
9m
minus
square
plus,
no.
exactly, minus minus plus, we get 3 3s are 9, m square
M
no,
square. Yes.
right? Now number 5, number 5 is we have to add minus 10m. Third question, okay, I'm going to explain the third question right now. 1 minute is left. Fifth answer, let me take the fifth answer. Yes, fifth answer. Ali, what will be the fifth answer? Ali, quickly, fifth answer.
minus 8m.
Minus 8m, very good. So here Sheroz, you are asking me about the third question. Yes Sheroz, unmute yourself. Bete, question number 3 is not clear?
Yes, miss. Question number 3 is not clear.
Acha, what's the problem with question number 3? Bete, in question number 3, look at the question number 3. We are using the formula x square, ठीक है? X square means first term square. First term is a square, ठीक? Then plus first term, here 2 minus 1 a, right? Then plus first term into what is 2 and 1, right? 2 and 1 over here. 1 second. 2 into 1. What is the formula? X square plus a plus bx plus a into b. Sheroz, am I right?
Yes, miss.
यहाँ तक क्लियर है बेटे?
Yes, miss. This is the formula?
फॉर्मूला क्या था बेटे? 3.10 का फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है आपको?
Yes,
x
miss.
square,
Yes. X plus AB plus X, x square plus AB,
okay,
plus A plus B plus A plus X plus AB.
yes, exactly. So we get a square plus 2 minus 1 is 1 a.
Fine.
Then here, acha, look at this question here. Minus sign is